You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -1/5. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 4x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 3/5 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -2. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -1/5.